Guys, I'm on midterm break. I was given a class project to submit when school resumes. The theme for my project is learning through exploration and creativity. Guys, I'm making a 3D shape named Cuboid. So I will need marker, ruler, cardboard, scissors, and glue. So the first thing to do is get my pencil. I'll need this. So a cuboid has 6 sides, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Guys, so we're drawing 20 centimeter to 8 centimeter. Perfect. I've finished with my 4 sides. Now I'm doing my 2 sides. I'm doing 0 to 8 centimeter. Got it. Now I've gotten our 6 side. Let's cut it out. I will cut one part off. Then you should do this. Time for the glue. Guys, we're going to put glue on the edges, so let's start. Now let's glue it. Guys, so the glue didn't work properly, so we're using selling tape. That's hurt. Guys, so I just need a little bit. So this is my cuboid. I just finished making it. So let's move to the next part.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and join our invention. See you guys on our next video. Stay curious. Stay fun. Bye from Odili and Ada.